welcome to Grow With Me. My name is Michelle, and today I want to do an unboxing for a couple of plants. One of the plants I received from Palmstreet, and it came today, right? Let me see, because I ordered a couple from Palmstreet. I'm not sure. This is from California Tropicals. So let's see what I got. I can't remember what I got from them. I believe it's either a sunrise or tequila sunrise. Let's see if this is the one, because I did order a couple of things from different vendors. So let's see what this is. They wrapped it up really nice. Came in this box. It didn't take too long. I believe I ordered it yesterday. Here's the receipt. And California Tropical, so it came from Cali. And I think I paid $28 for this plant. I won the bid at $28. If anybody knows Palmstreet, it's like an auction, and you bid for the plants. I do have a scissors here, so let's cut this open. I have a couple of more coming in on Friday. One is from Jacqueline Jungle. I ordered from her before and was very happy. I think I have a video that's coming out with my unboxing of her plants that I got from her. Okay, let's see. Ooh, nice. It is the Hoya Sunrise. I gotta look at so you see, this is how they put the popcorn. This is how it was. It's taped up inside to the box, and this is how it looks. Do they call these popcorns? I have to look and see what they call this. I don't know what they are. The packing, not noodle. Okay. But they taped it up good. It came good. I think it looks a little dry. It looks a little dehydrated. Let's see. But they taped it to the box. It's supposed to be a 4-inch plant. I believe it's huge. Okay. Ah. Okay, let's see. This is what it looks like. It's huge, but it's dry. But I'm very happy it's dry. Let's take this off. I'll give it some nutrient water. See if I could bring this, perk it back up. Let's see what it says. Oh, it just has my name on it. And then it has, oh, this paper. Keeping it, supposedly, I guess, for moisture, to keep the soil intact. But it is, oh, it's dry. I'm gonna bottom water it. Let it soak up. Yeah, it's very dry. I'm hoping it's not oh, look at the roots. Okay. Do I have so look how beautiful it is. This is the Hoya Sunrise. I already have one. I believe this is the Hoya Sunrise. It looks like it. I already have one, but it's small. And when I saw the length and the how big and beautiful and trailing this was, I could not help myself. That's how you get caught up with that auction. Palm Street will take all your money because you get caught up with bidding. And let me see what this is. I'll tell you now. I'm looking at the app. So I'll tell you what it is. It says delivered. Okay, so this is, where is it? Okay, here it is. Sunrise. Yep. From California Tropicals. I put in a bid and I got it for $28. All right. And it was $12 for shipping. But I got a discount of $4.20. Yeah. So it wasn't bad at all. Not at all. I love it. I'm going to put it over here. And then I got another plant today. Now, this plant I got from a trade. I traded with someone on Facebook. This was someone that I had traded with before, a lovely lady. I had a Hoya Clemensiorum for sale, and she asked if we can trade, and asked her, what does she have? I never thought about trading for it, but I said, what do you have? And she said that she had a Dakie, which I wanted, a Hoya Dakie, and a Hoya Dalton Henry. Well, I wasn't too crazy about the Dalton Henry, but I don't have one. So I said, okay, if you're willing to part. So she said she can give me the Dalton Henry and she can do a cut-in of the Dakie for me. And I said, how big of a cut? Because, I don't do one leaf, two leaf. I need more leaves in order to, if I have to root it and whatnot, right? Um, Give me a chance. So she said she'd give me a 5-leaf cut-in, and she did. And it's gorgeous. And here it is. I picked it up today. I met her and we traded. And this is the Hoya Dakie. See, she even put it in a little, with some water for me. And it's 5 leaves and it's nice and big and healthy. And I cannot wait for this to have roots so I can, have a full plant so I can plant it. But this is how it looks. The Hoya Dakie. Okay, and this is the Hoya, the one that she gave me, the Hoya Dalton Henry. And this has also 5 leaves, but this is a rooted plant. I believe she has a little bit of moss on top and leca, and I believe it's in fluval, in stratum. All right, I'm going to take it out and look at it. But this is the Hoya Dalton Henry.
3 days later.
Okay, so I received some plants in the mail that I ordered off of another set of plants that I came in today that I ordered from Palmstreet. Okay, so this first one is from, if I remember correctly, Kathy Tran. Kathy Tran. Let's open it up and see what I got. I hope everything is good. Let's see. Okay, if I can get this box open. Okay. what we have. Oh, okay. It's in a Ziploc, right? Has a little tag on it. I guess that's for you to, and it says thank you. I guess that's the tag, the name tag for you to write the name of the plants. Okay, it's in fluff. Let's see. Hopefully. Okay, so the first one, I remember purchasing this. This is the Hoya Sabah. It's either Sabah or Saba. I'm not sure. Y'all could help me out in the comments. I really wanted this plant, the Hoya Sabah. Okay, 3 leaves, fully rooted. You could see the roots. I don't know if you can see it. Lovely plant. Okay, that's one. I don't know how many is in here. I don't remember. Honestly. More fluff. I'm keeping all of this, as you know, and the box, just in case. Here is the other plant. Honestly, this is the Crassipetulata Splash. It's a little floppy. Okay, I don't know if this is rooted. I'm going to take it out and take a look at it because the leaves feel soft. So it probably is dehydrated. But that is the Crassipetulata Splash. And I have one, but I love this plant. So when I saw it, I forgot how much it was. I think it was $20 or $16. I will look and I will tell you how much I paid for these plants. And then the third and last plant in this shipment is the, let me see, I have my phone. Let me see what it is. So from this company, okay, so I got, and this is from, let's see. So for the Saba, I paid $24, right? So, oops, making a mess. For this one was $24, right? And this is what it looked on like on, I don't know if you can see it on the website. Okay. Then for the other one, this is a plumaceus. Never heard of it before, but I like it. And I paid $20, right? I bid and I won this for $20, the Hoya plumaceus. Okay. And for the Crassipetulata Splash, I paid $16. Okay. And as I said, this is from Trancher Hoyas. Okay, so the next box I have is from Jacqueline Jungles. You know, I've purchased from her before. I love Jacqueline. I'm a follower on her YouTube channel. Been looking at her for years. I bought 2 plants from her a couple of weeks ago. That was my first time on Palmstreet. It was my first time on Palmstreet. Bought from Jacqueline. They came really quickly and they were packaged to perfection. So let's see what we have here. I think I only got one cut-in from her. It's a cut-in. I don't believe it's rooted. And it's the Tequila Sunrise. I had one and it didn't do good. I'm hoping this does better for me. Because the one I had, I'm not even sure I have any left. If I save the cut-in and I propagate it, she never fails to amaze me on her packaging. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to save that sheet. Of course, I'm going to save it. And look, she put a little sticker on the outside. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Look at that. Okay. As you can see, I have to turn off the lights in my cabinet because of the glare. But I'm cleaning it out. As you notice that there's hardly any plants in there because I'm doing in the process. I have all this mess around me. Thank God you can't see it. I'm in the process of doing a deep cleaning on this cabinet. Okay. So she has it wrapped up really nicely. As always, very protected. Let's see what we have. Okay, she wrap, wrappity wrap. Nothing can happen. Fluff. And this is the one leaf cutting for the tequila sunrise. And that's the last of my shipment from Palm Street. And I'm very happy with Palm Street. I have not had a problem. Okay, so I'm going to unwrap this. She had it in some wrapping, and then she has more fluff to keep it down. And she has it pinned on the inside so it stays in. And it's, of course, she loves to use moss. I'll keep it in here until it grows some roots, I guess. I don't know. I'll see. I hate moss. You all know that, especially with Hoyas. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.